Ready to experience Facebook with a bigger screen and more comfortable typing? First, let's install the Facebook app. Click on the Windows Start button. Now, find and open the Microsoft Store app. It's usually represented by a shopping bag icon with the Windows logo. Once it's open, look for the search bar at the top right. Type Facebook into the search bar and press enter. You should see the official Facebook app appear in the results. Click on it. On the Facebook app page, you'll see an install button. Click on that install button. The download and installation process will begin automatically. You'll see a progress bar indicating how far along it is. Once installed, the Facebook app icon will appear on your desktop or in your start menu. Click on it to launch the app. Now, simply log in with your Facebook email or phone number and password. Alternatively, if you don't want to install the app, you can always access Facebook through your web browser. Just open your preferred browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Type Facebook into the address bar and press enter. Log in with your account details. And that's it. Enjoy browsing Facebook on your laptop or PC.